In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EMA Ribbon Krypt indicator in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can follow along step by step on your own TradingView chart. By the end, you'll have the EMA Ribbon Krypt indicator added and ready to use, and you'll know exactly where everything is. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the time frames and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can access all the built-in and community indicators inside TradingView. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we'll quickly find the EMA Ribbon Krypt script without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now type in EMA Ribbon Krypt, exactly as it's written. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below in real time. Look through the list that appears and find the EMA Ribbon Krypt indicator. Once you see it, click on it once. That single click will add the indicator directly onto your chart. You should now see a series of moving average lines forming a ribbon over your price candles. If you don't see anything right away, double check that the indicator is toggled on in the list below your chart and that your chart isn't zoomed too far out. Next, let's customize it. On your chart, find the EMA Ribbon Krypt name, usually shown at the top left or in the indicator list. Hover over that name and look for the small settings icon. Click on the settings icon to open the full configuration panel for this indicator. Inside the settings, you can adjust the length of the moving averages, change the colors, and tweak the visual style so it fits your personal trading layout. Take a moment to explore these options and set them up in a way that's easy for your eyes to read quickly. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings later as you get more comfortable with the ribbon. Finally, if you haven't already upgraded to TradingView Pro and you want access to more features and more indicators on your chart at the same time, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be able to fully take advantage of setups like this EMA Ribbon Krypt and keep your charts clean, powerful, and professional.